So here is August bullet journal week 4. I just put in the page numbers really quickly and then we can get started. I'm trying a new layout again this week. I still haven't found one that I'm really in love with, and even if I did, I don't know if I'd want to, stick with it every week. So I'm trying to get all the days of the week on one page and then put all of my tasks and important stuff on the second page. And see if it works being split up in that way. So you see my boxes are 18 squares tall and 9 squares wide, and of course Saturday and Sunday are 9 by 9 squares. I have this really cute yellow and white striped washi tape that I figured I would use for this journal page. I just got it in the mail. And I haven't used washi tape very much, so I figured I would give it a whirl, especially because I really had no idea what I was going to do for this layout, jumping into it. So here's the quote for the week. A bee is never as busy as it seems. It's just that it can't buzz any slower. I thought that was cute because I kind of am starting to feel a little bit overwhelmed, like I have too much going on because I have a big convention coming up that I'm going to, and I'm trying to get ready for that, and I have a full-time job, and it's just a lot. But anyway, so I'm taking another piece of thinner yellow washi tape and kind of putting it in the middle for like a little sort of decorative line up here, and then drawing a black line in the middle. And now here's me trying to figure out how I'm going to split up this side of the page in order to get my hygiene tracker in here and to get anything else that I need. And I made a mistake counting. So you saw an ivory colored Posca pen, Uni Posca pen, because that's the brand of white pen that I use, and I found that they make an ivory color, so I thought I would try it out. And it matches the journal paper a little bit better because my journal paper is slightly off-white. So I kind of like it. I think I'm probably going to keep it, and we'll probably use it. I mean, I'm going to keep it, but I will probably use it. So then we have my hygiene tracker I filled in, and then some fun decorative yellow accents, some drop shadows. I really had no idea what I was doing for this page, other than up in this corner, the reason I left this big space is that I wanted to draw another one of those super happy bees that is on my calendar page. Back from my August setup, you would have seen my super happy bee sitting on a daisy, and it's so cute and I love it. So I wanted to put it on this page. I just really wanted it. So that was the doodle that was for this week, I guess. And then I decided to go along with the whole daisy theme because daisies seemed like they could be, a cute continuity, and they have to do with bees, I guess. And they're white and yellow. So, goes with the color scheme as well. So I took a piece of washi tape and stuck it on the box so that it was sitting flat. And then I wrote the word flower, and I also wrote the word day, and I flagged the ends because I wanted to write a flower a day, kind of like an apple a day, except, flowers and bees and stuff. So that was my thought process for this page anyway. I think everything turned out pretty well, considering I literally had no idea what to do for this. I'm running out of ideas for the bee theme. Oh yes, and my cute little flying bees and a little dash line because they're flying. But yeah, so that's my bullet journal for this week. Stay tuned for more later. Bye.